culture of sprints. What a big deal, because this is so difficult to discover what is culture and what is culture sprints. Okay. So we thought about culture is what creates societies and what creates worlds. So there is a lot of interesting points in design sprint cultures, and how can we use this to define a new culture of our world that will define maybe a better world. Whoa. Okay, so the group started by 2, and they explore all the subjects like what is culture, what is design sprint culture, what is a better world, and they try to see it on the system, because I'm here to show that. So we try systems by 2. After that, they gather. So 6 groups became 3 groups. They presented each systems, and that became their systems. And on it, they find some elements to use to find first actions to build this better world. So I let the mic to the different team to present their different solutions.
Okay, I will try to sum up very complex thinking. We started mapping what is a better world, what is a world, what is better, and what is design sprint, what is diffusing design sprint, because our main focus was how diffusing design sprint could help make a better world. And we arrived at the conclusion that at the intersection between design sprint culture and a better world was a human-to-human approach, because design sprint is about a community working towards human-centered needs, solving their problems. Whereas a better world is, of course, the individual, the human better world inside a larger community. But what is at core is that between these two aspects, community and human, there is the expression of singularity. So basically, how to diffuse design sprint and contribute to better world starts with enabling free access, easy appropriation of design sprint methods, because that's the key way for people to solve their local, very singular problems with this method that is really made to be flexible and adaptable. And how from that on go into a more concrete action. We want to create local places and academies to run design sprints. And running local design sprints can help diffuse this and solve problems at the local level to spread to a larger community. And we thought that the best way to start next morning, actually this Tuesday, is to use the fact that human to human is at this minute embodied by the speech of Greta Thunberg, who made that call human to human beyond boundaries of communities, societies, or states for the planet. You know, this little 15-year-old girl from Sweden. So she made that call, and we thought, okay, this is very interesting because it's a human-to-human call. So who can help solve this problem, this tiny little problem, the planet problem, better than someone who's at the origin of the design sprint method, Google, who has the financial means to finance this approach of diffusing design sprints locally, creating those places, those academies worldwide to create design sprints and tackle this specific subject, hence the better world.
Yes, thank you. The second solution, we came from it was a kind of puzzle first. She put all the bases, and we put our solution just down here, following the same kind of presentation to have a kind of line all together to find the right solution to the problem. So we started also from we were exploring all those words, all those galaxies, I think, of words, and step by step. Everything getting more and more clear for us that everything starts from from our young age, the education, rethink educational system and develop empathy to the young people. So change the way to teach, and with a kind of solution is how can we do it? First, we have 2 ideas for next week. I think you told us next Monday. Yeah, we're going to co-create the school of tomorrow with design sprints, with parents, teachers, kids. The idea is with the help of lightning talks with experts, for example, on social medias, or help young people with the real life, about the real life. With well-designed sprints on those topics, and engage them in those various subjects and topics. And we called it Design Sprints for Kids for a Better World. Start from the beginning. You have something else to? Final.
First, my apology about my English. In the puzzle logic, we write the education program based on the balance, l'équilibre parfait, the perfect balance, and we continue this logic in the design sprint process. First, step by step, we define with knowledge stakeholders, with anthropologists, specialists, experts of the balance system, with in population, Indian population, and other. And final, we test it with final real people touched, and we compare initiative existing. It's like lighting talk, lighting demo, and other. After we identify action system to improve this challenge balance goal, with a balance goal, we need to dig this balance logic, and after we clarify and prioritize action with political, non-profit and economical organization and stakeholders to write this balance education program and apply this in the future of school, and with human to human base.
Thank you. Thank you, Fabrice, for your method, and it was very, very interesting. Yeah. Thank you.